Hi, welcome back. I'm going to cook my mum's mince beef, which we used to have during the week, and it was a cheap, easy meal to cook, very quick. And these are the ingredients: sliced onion, baked beans, chopped tomatoes if we had them, and the same with the baked beans. It was either chopped tomatoes or baked beans or both if we had them. Dash of Worcester sauce, OXO cubes, because that was the stock cube of the time, of the era back in the 70s. Bisto, which makes a gravy base with corn flour, and it's also brown colour. I don't understand the physics of it, but I've made a pint of it, or 500ml. Sometimes HP or ketchup might be put in, and the star of the meal is minced beef, which this is a flat pack, not flat pack, vacuum pack beef. So I'm going to be interested to see how that responds to the cooking. Okay, let's go to the cooker. Okay, so just warming the pan up. Splash of oil, I don't know, tablespoon, half a teaspoon, up to you. You don't have to use cooking oil or veg oil, you can use olive oil. Going to add the onions and just soften them to start off with. Okay, let's have a look. The onions have been cooking for about 5 minutes and they're nice and soft, or getting softer. I'm now going to add the mince. Okay, right, I've added this mince to the soft onions, and now I've just basically tried to brown it up. Okay, I've added this mince to the onions. Mince is always usually very loose. Minced ground beef is very loose, and it usually just falls in, and you can stir it in and break it up. So this has had I don't know, 10 minutes, quarter of an hour or so, just for it to breathe, just to see if the air can just get back into it. But what I'm going to do is brown it off. I'm going to turn the heat up, brown it off, and see what happens. Okay, our mince is now brown. I am now going to add the other ingredients. Baked beans, I'm going to add the baked beans in. Tin of tomatoes. Give that a stir. Oh, it's hot. Let's mix that through. Going to add the bisto. Make sure you give it a stir, because it settles itself. So just give it another stir. I'm going to do half a pint a minute, because actually I'm going to do about 3/4 of a pint. So you don't have to use the whole pint. It really depends how much, how liquidy you want it. I think that's loads. Okay, so next thing, splash of Worcester sauce. Oh, one for luck. Squirt of HP. Bit of pepper. Give that a stir a minute. Now, the last thing I'm going to add is an OXO cube, and I'm just going to break the cube up over the dish, like so. Stir it all in, bring it up to heat and let it simmer for 20 minutes, quarter of an hour, or the other way around. And then taste it, see what the flavour's like. Just put the lid back on, just bring that up to a simmer, and we'll come back to that in a minute. Okay, this has been cooking for about 20 minutes, simmering away. That looks lovely. I can smell it's done. Let's just taste it for seasoning. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that is lovely. There you have it. Oh, my mum's mince. Look forward to eating that. Let's serve up. Right then. My mum's mince beef with leeky mashed potato. That is beautiful. Really cheap, easy dish to cook, and the kids will love it. Thank you for watching.